What's up, Pyromaniacs? Hillbilly Pyro just down here chilling at the lake here with this feathery Loch Ness monster. Check this guy out. Look at the neck on that bird. It's crazy looking, isn't it? Definitely well designed for his purpose. Check out the legs on that guy. Can definitely see why it's a throwback from the dinosaurs. You know what kind of sound that thing makes. I've been trying to get it closer. It's curious about me. It keeps coming a little bit closer. Looks like it's got blue feet. Just chilling on the lake, taking a minute to relax in between paying bills and running around town and all that fun stuff. Where I come down here and just have a soda and relax a little bit, you know. Check out some of the weird wildlife like that guy there. Yo, he's just doing some fishing. There's all kinds of little minnows over here next to this pier where I'm sitting, dude. You might want to come scarf him up. There he goes. I hope you guys all get a chance to relax today. Time for me to get back to it. Hillbilly Pyro out.